Friends, welcome to class 7 mathematics chapter 5 operations on rational numbers. Practice set 22 part 1. In this part, we are going to see example 1 from practice set 22. Okay, before going to start this practice set, we should know what are natural numbers. Natural numbers is a set denoted by capital N. That is, all counting numbers are included in this set, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. All numbers are included in set of natural numbers. Second, whole numbers. This set is denoted by W. In this set, all natural numbers with 0. This is extra element added in set of whole numbers. So, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity are elements of whole numbers. Then integer is a set denoted by Z. All negative and positive numbers are included in this set along with 0. So 0, negative numbers and positive numbers are the elements of set of integer. Then rational numbers. Rational numbers denoted by Q. Here a number in the form of m by n. This is numerator, this is denominator. Numerator is m, where m is any integer, 0, negative or positive. Any integer is in numerator. But n is non-zero integer. That means 0 is not allowed in denominator. Negative or positive, all numbers are here but not 0. So m by n, this is the form of rational numbers. For example, suppose minus 3. You can say minus 3 is rational number. Why? Because you can write this minus 3 as numerator and nothing means 1 in denominator. Here is nothing in denominator. That means 1 is in denominator. So this is in the form of m by n. Okay. This is integer, negative. But integer, this is also integer. So minus 3, that is minus 3 by 1 is rational number. Then 3 by 5 is also rational number. This 0 by 2, that means 0 in numerator and in denominator any integer. 0 upon 2 is rational number. Okay. Now 4 upon minus 3. This is in the form of m by n. Therefore this is rational number. You may write this number, this negative sign, in the middle of 4 by 3. So this minus 4 by 3 is rational number. That means 4 upon minus 3 is also rational number. And so on. Above all are rational numbers. Okay. Now let us start practice set 22. Example 1. Carry out the following additions of rational numbers. So, number 1, 5 upon 36, this is rational number, plus 6 upon 42, this is also a rational number. We have to take addition of these two rational numbers. Method first. If denominator is a larger number, then taking cross multiplication and adding these two rational numbers is a difficult process. Method 1, by cross multiplication. In this case, you can take multiplication of these two numbers. That means 5 into 42, this, plus 36 into 6, that means 6 into 36. In denominator, product of these two. Okay. Now 5 into 42, product is 210, plus 6 into 36, product is 216, and you put this as it is, 36 into 42. Now adding 210 and 216, this addition will be 426. Okay, upon this. Now simplify this ratio. You can divide by 6 to these two numbers. 6 are 36, dividing by 6. Then 6 7s are 42, and 6 1s are 6. So 71 upon this product, 6 into 42 is 252. That means addition of these two rational numbers is 71 upon 252. Okay, this is first method. Now second method, that is LCM of denominator method. Okay, now 5 by 36 plus 6 by 42, these are two numbers, we have to add them. So first of all, to find LCM of these two numbers in denominator, you factorize 36 and 42 in this way. Suppose factors of 36, dividing by 2, 2 1s are 2, carry 1, 2 8s are 16. Okay, then dividing by 2, 2 9s are 18. Now you can't divide by 2 to 9. Then dividing by 3, 3 3s are 9. Again dividing by 3, 3 1s are 3. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are the factors of 36. You write here factors of 36. Okay, then 42, dividing by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now you can't divide by 2 to 21. Then dividing by 3, 3 7s are 21. Now dividing by 7, 7 1s are 7. So factors of 42 are 2 into 3 into 7. You write here. After finding factors of 36 and 42, taking common elements from these two factors. So 2 is here, 2 is here, that means 2 is common. First element. Then here is 2 but here is not, that means 2 is not common this. Then 3 here, again 3 here, so 3 is common. Then 3 is here but not 3. 7 is here but not 7. That means 3 and 7 are not common. Now common elements are 2 into 3 only. Then write remaining elements. Remaining, that means this, and this. And taking product of these 5 elements, you will get LCM of 36 and 42. Okay. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36 into 7, that is 252. Okay. Now also note, 36 into 7 is 252, that is LCM. And 42 into 6 also 252, that is LCM. Okay. Now we are going to make denominator similar. Okay. 36 into 7 is 252, that is LCM. 42 into 6 is also 252, that is LCM. In this way, multiply and divide by 7 to first rational number. Again, multiply and divide by 6 to second rational number. This will give you denominator of both rational numbers equal, and which is 252. 5 into 7, 35, plus 6 into 6, 36. In this way, denominator of both are same. Therefore, taking this as LCM. So, 35 plus 36. Because both denominators of these two rational numbers are equal. Therefore, you can add these numerators. 35 plus 36, that is 71 upon 252. Therefore, addition of these two numbers is 71 upon 252. Okay. So, right here 5 by 36 plus 6 by 42. Addition of these two is 71 upon 252. Second example. Integer 1, 2 by 3 plus integer 2, 4 by 5. We have to add them. But before adding, you should make them rational numbers. These two are mixed numbers. We have to make them rational numbers. And how to make? See, 1 into 3, 3, plus this 2 as it is, upon this 3. This is the way to write rational number of mixed numbers. Okay. Now here 2 into 5, 10, plus 4 upon this 5. So 3 plus 2, 5 upon 3, plus 10 plus 4, 14 upon 5. So in this way, we have converted this mixed number into rational numbers. Okay. These two numbers are very small. Therefore, we can use cross multiplication method. So, 5 into 5, this is cross multiplication, plus 3 into 14 upon 3 into 5, that is 15. Okay. Now, 5 into 5, 25, plus 14 into 3, that is 42 upon this 15 as it is. Now 25 plus 42, this addition is 67 upon this 15. In this way, addition of these two numbers is 67 upon 15. Third, 11 upon 17 plus 13 upon 19. Again, here you can use cross multiplication method. So 11 into 19, this is the cross multiplication, plus 17 into 13, that is 13 into 17 upon 17 into 19. Okay. So 11 into 19, this product is 209, plus 13 into 17, this product is 221, upon product of these two is 323. Okay. This addition is 430 and this is 323. So this is the addition of these two rational numbers. Fourth example. Again, here is mixed number. We have to add them. Before adding, we should convert this mixed number into rational number. Okay. How to convert into rational number? You know, this into this 22 2 into 11, 22, plus 3 as it is, upon this 11 as it is. Now plus 1 into 77, that is 77, plus 3 upon this 77 as it is. So always taking product of these two plus this numerator. Okay, you write in this way. Now 22 plus 3, that is 25 upon 11, plus 77 3, that is 80 upon 77. Now taking LCM of these two, multiply by 7 to 11. It will give you 77. This is already 77, and you will get both denominators equal. Therefore, multiply and divide by 7 to this rational number. This will give you denominator equal. Therefore, 25 into 7 is 175 upon 77. This is the product. Plus 80 upon 77. Then LCM is 77. That means denominator is same. Therefore, write as LCM 77 and add 175 plus 80. This addition is 255 upon 77. Therefore, addition of these two mixed numbers is 255 upon 77. Okay. So friends, in this way, we have completed example 1 from practice set 22. So let us stop here. See you again in part 2 of practice set 22. Okay. Till then, goodbye.